Hi, good morning. We are going to solve this problem, which is square root of x plus 1 over x to the square plus 1. We decided to solve this using the product rule. So the first step, we have to get the derivative of the first equation and times the one below, plus the derivative of the second equation times the first equation. So we got 1/2 of x to the minus 1/2 times x to the square plus 1 minus 1 to the minus 1, because we have to pass this without the as a fraction. We have to eliminate the fraction, so we pass it at minus 1. Then we continue with the second, and it becomes minus x to the square plus 1 to the minus 2. We have to apply the power rule and on this one, so that this goes out multiplying as minus 1 x squared plus 1, and we have to subtract 1 from this exponent and becomes minus to the minus 2. Now we have to multiply this, the derivative of the inside, to this, which is 2x, and now multiply the first equation. So we get this. Now we have to add the common terms, and we are left with, we have to first we have to pass the negative exponents as a fraction, so we pass it below. We have 1 over 2x to the 1/2 times x to the square plus 1, because this is also a negative exponent. Now minus, we do the same here. We have a negative exponent, so we pass this below as 1. We're left here with a 1, an imaginary 1, to the x to the square plus 1 to the square. And these are going to be, this is left in the upside, above the problem. Now fourth step, we have to combine this. We have to find the common term, so that we can solve this subtraction. The common term is 2x to the 1/2 times x plus 1 to the square.
So after you solve this, after the common denominator and the function, the equation above, you're gonna get this result, which will be x to the square plus 1 minus 4x to the square minus 4x to the 3 over 2, which is the result of this multiplication, over 2 square root of x times x plus 1 to the square. The next step will be just solving the x squared, which is minus 3x to the square minus 4x to the 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 square root of x times x plus 1 to the square. And the result, the answer, will be, first we need to take out the negative sign outside, so the above part will change of signs. So the result will be minus 3x to the square plus 4x to the 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 square root of x times x plus 1 to the square. And well, that's the whole problem. Thank you, and